Hey guys, we're leaving the park here today. It's Sunday. We were planning on going up to Catalina Island, and we got up and just weren't really feeling it this morning. It was going to be kind of cold, and we figured we'll just hold off on that for a little bit. We decided we're going to go to Ocotillo Wells instead. So we'll go up, get some good off-roading in, and we'll get some hiking in and stuff. But I went over to get the car this morning and found out that I'd left my headlights on the night before, and it was just dead. Hey guys, we're out here in Anza, Borrego Desert State Park, and we're at the Fish Creek. We're at the Fish Creek Wash, and Kayla says we can drive up in here into like a slot canyon for cars kind of thing. So that's where we're heading. It's a beautiful day out, and tons of people here. We've seen a million people hauling stuff in and out. Just listen. Besides a little bit of wind, there is no noise out here. There's no birds, no bugs, no nothing. It's just dead silent. It's definitely kind of interesting to be out here when you're used to but when we're in Palm Desert, there's cars and everything, and every place else we are, there's people. And I mean, a little bit ago, I don't know, maybe a mile or two back, we were passing people on dirt bikes and stuff, and then just all of a sudden you go around one of these turns in this wash and there's just nobody or anything. But it's absolutely beautiful out here. Hey guys, so we've been driving around a little bit, and we went up and there was it kind of just dead-ended, and there was a turnaround spot, so we turned around. We were going back. We thought we were coming back the correct direction, and I don't know, 15 minutes driving later, we get up to these road markers that we remember seeing before, but we made a left at them and we came out on the right of them. We realized we made a wrong turn somewhere, but thank goodness it was a loop and brought us back to the beginning. So now we just pulled off at one of the stops, and we're out hiking in some of these washes. And yeah, but I thought you guys might be amused at the fact that we almost got lost in the desert, but thankfully here at the park, I guess they've thought of everything and they just made everything connect back together. So me and Kayla have been driving around a good bit here at the park, and this right here is by far and away our favorite park to drive through. It's just a great big canyon. And if you just look around, I don't know what Kayla's doing over there, but when you're driving through, you just get these giant walls all around you. Definitely a beautiful drive, and if you're ever out this way and have something, Jeep, truck, whatever, bring it out this way. You don't need anything major to get out here. I mean, you've got a few little rocks here and there, but for the most part, it's just a nice sandy road. We're still out here in the Ocotillo Wells, SVA or whatever they call it out here for their off-road area, and we were trying to find Shell Reef because I wanted to go jump this thing. I made a wrong turn somewhere. We're not exactly on the road, but there's tracks, and I got buried. So I'm letting air out of the tires now to try and hopefully get unstuck. Unfortunately, once you're stuck, it's usually too late to have let the air out. And this is really not going fast. These have a lot of air in them. And the other side, like, I can push on it, it moves pretty good, but they just don't bulge like a normal tire. I think the sidewalls are a lot harder, so might be screwed. Luckily, we're only maybe a couple miles away from the road. If we have to, we can walk to it. We have good cell service here because there's a cell tower not too far away. So we can use our GPS on our phones and junk to figure out where we're going. But we're gonna try this first. So I had the GoPro, or not the GoPro, the Sony action camera on the outside of the car to see us getting unstuck. And I just looked to see if it was there to grab it and pull it off. It's not still there. So now we have to go back where we came from and hopefully see it. It might have gotten buried right off the bat. I don't know. Okay, everybody, I just drove back here to where I got stuck. I'm obviously not driving back over into the soft sand shit. And we still haven't seen the GoPro out along the road. Or not GoPro, the action camera. But actually I see it right here buried. That was lucky to find. Now the question is it destroyed? It's still recording. So on the old wrap, you could put these on there and it would stick really good. I don't know if this one's just too dusty at the moment or what, but yeah, it did not stay on.